Welcome back to Game Maker tutorial part 2. I am Sajil here and let's start. Okay, let's start by adding events as I said in the last tutorial. So let's add events for our player object. We want to make our player object move around in the room, so let's start by adding events. Add event on keyboard. We are going to use WASD keys to move around. Go to letter and click on letter A. On A key, we drag this move fixer to our action box. On clicking A, we want to move in the direction left with a speed 2 and click this relative and OK. So let's add other keys. Letter, click on yes, move fixer to our action, and while pressing S key we want to move down with a speed 2 and click on this relative. Okay, and let's add keyboard, letter and D, which is going to be our right direction key, and same speed 2 and relative. Okay, now keyboard, our last one, which is the W. Click move fixer. W is for up direction and with a speed 2, relative. Okay, so we have added our 4 directions. We want to move our player object, so let's test whether it is working. So run. So here you will get a box saying a game must have at least one room to run, because we haven't added any rooms. So let's create a room. So here left click on this object here and select our player object and place it in the room. Okay, that's it, and let's run. Here our player is moving and it gone out of this room and is moving. Movement is not stopping, so we have to fix those problems, right? So go back to Game Maker and let's fix those. Easy way to fix that movement problem is to add one more event, which is on key release any key, because we are not using any other keys, so we can use release any key. On select the movement fix, drag it to action and click here, speed 0, relative. Okay. Okay, and let's see whether it fixed the problem. As you can see, our plane is moving around and movement is okay, but still we haven't fixed the problem that plane moving outside the room. So let's go back to Game Maker and fix it. See our wall object, select that and take this solid and click OK. Go to our player, add an event on collision with wall, and here you can see the bounce, add it. Here precise, click here, make it precisely against solid objects. Okay, and we have to add the move fixer, click. Okay, I think we have to tick relative. Okay, now click OK. We have to add the wall, which is the border in the room. We can start doing like this, add one by one, or there is another way. Hold your shift key and click and drag. Let's do it all around the room. We can set the visibility of this wall to invisible so it won't be shown in the game. I'll show you how it is done. Go to our wall and untick visible. Okay, and run. And see, the border is not visible in the game, but it's still there. See, we can't move. See, I'm pressing W, but plane is still there, not moving. So we have fixed our movement problem. Next tutorial we will be adding few more events to make the bullet shoot from the plane. So see you next time. Sorry if we make the mistake like this, just right click to delete. So hold shift and click and drag. Now we have created border around our room. Now click OK and let's run the game. Click and our plane is moving. OK, just like we wanted, and it is not going outside the room.